Alright, so this week is almost coming to an end. Today I will be making the strawberry banana creamsicle smoothie. So, let's see here. And I actually thought about it. I can't believe I left this one to one of the end of the week smoothies because y'all know if we went to the grocery store and tried to buy some strawberries, they would have been bad by now. These strawberries still look perfect. They're nice and fresh, and this is day 4. So I'm really impressed with that. Of course, we're gonna wash these off, take the stems off, all that good stuff. 4 ounces of strawberries. You're also going to need 1 orange peeled. One banana, 1 tablespoon of organic hemp seeds, 1 teaspoon of organic lucuma powder, which is a fruit. It is a superfruit. It's found in Peru, and people say that it kind of tastes like caramel. Alright, and of course you know the drill. 1 cup of ice and 1 cup of water.
Strawberries and orange are bursting with vitamin C, and thanks to the beta-carotene in the orange and lucuma powder, as well as the omega-3s from hemp seed, this sweet and fruity smoothie is a fantastic natural wrinkle fighter. Want to try something new? Use this blend into popsicle molds and freeze for 12 hours for a healthy summer dessert.
Strawberry banana creamsicle smoothie. This one's good. I think this is my favorite out of the entire week actually. It's a the bananas are really ripe, so it's really sweet, a little bit tart. I have no complaints. This is really good. Yeah, this is number 1 for me. See you guys tomorrow.